Welcome, learners. In the series of NCERT Geography Class 11 Fundamental of Physical Geography. This video is about Chapter 1 Geography as a Discipline. Here is a question: why do we need to study geography? Dear learners, since we live on planet Earth, it is important to know the physical environment of the Earth. It is almost like knowing our own environment. Our life are affected by our surrounding in many ways. If you see, everything around us came from natural resources. For example, plants, animals, minerals, soil, water, etc. ये सभी हमें नेचर से मिलती हैं. Dear students, there was a time when people only ate edible plants and animals to survive. But with the passage of time, human beings developed technologies, and that technologies gave birth to food industries. So, you see how our food habits changed over time, and same goes for clothes as well. This is what geography teaches us: how human society as well as the earth developed gradually. आप इसमें ध्यान से देखेंगे कि ह्यूमन ने कैसे कैसे डेवलप किया है. पहले हम ऐसे दिखाई देते थे एंड नाउ वी आर लुक लाइक दिस. एंड आवर अर्थ, पहले ऐसे सारे कॉन्टिनेंट्स जुड़े हुए थे एंड देन अगर अभी देखेंगे तो हम वर्ल्ड के मैप में सभी कॉन्टिनेंट सेपरेट हैं. सो दिस डेवलपमेंट ग्रेजुअली विद टाइम. नाउ वी टॉक अबाउट हाउ ज्योग्राफी एज अ डिसिप्लिन हेल्प अस इन अंडरस्टैंडिंग द चेंजिंग which have taken place over time. So, now question is, what is the meaning of geography? In simple words, geography means study of earth. It's the earth that we are trying to study. Here, dear students, try to understand this. On Earth, we have two important components. First is physical features and second is human beings. Under physical features, we have mountains, hills, valleys, plains, plateaus, ocean, lakes, desert and wilderness. While in human being, we have social and cultural variations. Without life, Earth would be like any other planets. So, in human society, we have variations in terms of social and cultural form. We have people belonging to different communities, different background with different beliefs. So, it is really interesting to see the relationship between the physical environment and social or cultural features. From poetic point of view, we can say physical environment is like a stage and Human society are the actors performing. Now, try to relate this. You go to different places, you witness new culture, new social values, and that can be seen through the architectural style, food, rituals, customs, and human behavior, etc. So, all these creative skills were invented by people on the landform over a long period of time. So, this is what geography helps us in understanding the relationship between the physical aspect and human aspect of the earth. The term geography was first coined by Eratosthenes, a Greek scholar. The word has been derived from two roots from Greek language. One is geo, that means earth, and second is graphos, that means description. So here you can say geography is the description of earth, and we are trying to understand the earth in geography. Geography has many disciplines like natural science and social science. Under natural science, we have geology, pedology, oceanography, botany, zoology, and meteorology, etc. Under social science, we have economics, history, sociology, political science, anthropology, etc. These all disciplines study different aspects of the earth. Now, one of the important work of geographers to helps us in understand of what causes these variations which we have in our surrounding. इसे भी हम अपने एक एग्जाम्पल के थ्रू समझेंगे. एग्जाम्पल है हमारा क्रॉपिंग पैटर्न. Here we take two different places, place A, place B. So, cropping pattern differ from place to place, region to region, but we also know that some factors are closely related like climate, demand in market, soil, technology, land. So, ये सभी factors आपस में interrelated हैं. So, you see the correlation between these two phenomena. And here, one more important point is that these phenomena are not static, they are dynamic. It means they change over time. Dear students, human society is growing and changing rapidly, so as the physical landform. The early human society, we call them primitive society. They were directly dependent on nature for food, for clothing, for shelter. But now, present society have modified their natural environment by inventing and using technology. For example, with the creation of big machines, physical environment can be modified by humans, which is extremely difficult once upon a time. Therefore, we can say technology bring freedom. It helped in reducing the harshness of labor, increase labor efficiency, and provide leisure to human being to attain the higher need of life. With so much of development around, now we find humans humanized nature and naturalized human beings. It means humans converted the environment totally the way they wanted, and geography studies these interactive relationship. And now the last topic of our video, geography as a discipline is concerned with three sets of questions: what, where, and why. Questions related to identification of pattern of natural and cultural features related to what, distribution of natural and human cultural features related to where, and why related to explanation of causal relationship between features and the processes and phenomena. सो आज के लिए ही इतना ही. नेक्स्ट वीडियो में हम बात करेंगे ज्योग्राफी एज एन इंटीग्रेटिंग डिसिप्लिन. आई होप आपको ये वीडियो इंटरेस्टिंग लगा होगा. टिल देन स्टे सेफ, स्टे हेल्थी.